We're back with my mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways, which we love.
We do, and as everyone knows, those Callaways sell homes all over the valley. So whether you're looking to buy or sell, they can help you out. But one of the things that's interesting is they have been selling a ton of homes that have been listed with a different realtor that didn't sell, but once those Callaways got it, they've been able to close the deal.
People just need to start with them.
They just need to start with them in the first place. So whether you're buying or selling, and you've got one of their homes right now.
I do. I have a Scottsdale home. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, and it's just over 3,200 square feet. It's on over an acre for the property. The kitchen, it's an Eden island with slab granite, stainless appliances, which include a dual oven, the drink fridge, built-in microwave. They have white hardwood cabinetry. Love that.
I do too.
Master suite has the private entry, 3 closets, dual sinks, and a soak tub. And then they have the generous, the formal living room. They have 2 fireplaces, granite-topped wet bar, the beamed ceilings, and then they have the sparkling pool and spa, built-in barbecue, artificial turf, concrete pavers, and a trio of fountains. And all this for $649,000.
Oh, that sounds fabulous.
It's a steal, so people definitely need to go check it out.
I agree.